1 week, 2000 kilometers, and a hybrid system that had made me questioning everything I thought I knew about fuel efficiency. Today, we are diving deep into what it's really like to live with the BYD Qin Plus, beyond the brochures, beyond the hype, and deep into the roads where the car truly comes alive. When I got a chance to ride the BYD Qin Plus, I'll admit it, I didn't expect much from a budget-friendly hybrid sedan. But from the moment the electric motor hummed into life, the Qin Plus started throwing surprises at me. It's sleek, clean, aerodynamic, and very unassuming, almost a quiet achiever that lets its performance do the talking. The first thing you notice is that BYD went for a more refined, futuristic look. Sharp LED headlights, a smooth closed-off grille, and a silhouette that cuts through the air effortlessly. It's not trying to be sporty, it's trying to be smart. And honestly, it works. This thing attracted more attention than I expected. And that silence, the first moment you drive off in pure electric mode, it feels almost surreal for a sedan at this price. Let's start with comfort. I drove this car for hours, non-stop, and the seats stayed supportive the entire time. The cabin insulation is impressive even at high speeds. Road noise is surprisingly minimum. It's the kind of environment that makes you want to keep on driving. And then there's the tech. The rotating touchscreen still feels futuristic. Responsiveness, brilliant. Connectivity, smooth. BYD nailed the integration here. And in the digital cluster, smart climate controls and the overall layout and the cab feels way more high-ended than expected. But the highlight, the absolute standout is efficiency. And I mean ridiculous efficiency. I kept checking the number thinking something was wrong. 2000 kilometers of mixed driving and this hybrid barely sipped fuel. This is where BYD's experience with battery tech comes very real. Now it's not perfect. Let's talk about the not so fun parts. Under heavy acceleration, the engine can get loud. It's part of the hybrid nature, but it still breaks the serenity of the drive. The suspension is generally comfortable, but on uneven roads, you feel a bit more bounce than you'd expect. And yes, some markets don't get all the features, like a 360 camera, unless you go for the top spec. So depending on where you live, you may miss out on some tech. Safety is another area where BYD didn't cut corners. You get adaptive cruise, automatic braking, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and stability system that subtly kicks in when needed. It never feels intrusive, just reassuring. And with the structural rigidity of BYD's new platform, you feel safe even at high speeds. Here's where the Qin Plus becomes a game changer. Cost. For what you're getting, technology, efficiency, comfort, and low running cost, it's almost impossible to argue against its value. But since I had this car for just around a week, I can't say much, but this is some of the views of the existing users that I have been in touch with. But what I personally prefer? Fuel, barely anything. Battery check, proven. This car saves you money every single day. One thing that really stood out to me over the week was the cabin space. For a sedan in this price range, the BYD Qin Plus feels surprisingly airy. The rear seats have more than enough legroom for adults, and even on long rides, no one complained about feeling cramped. That flat floor design gives passenger that extra bit of comfort, and the wide opening doors make getting in and out effortless. And then there's the boot. At first glance, it looks pretty standard, but once you start loading it, you realize how deep it really is. Suitcases, backpacks, grocery, camera gear. I threw everything in during my 2,000-kilometer trip, and it still had space to spare. The opening is wide, the loading lip isn't too high, and the layout is practical. It's one of those quiet strengths of the car you don't notice until you really need it, and then you appreciate how well thought out it is. For everyday life, road trip, airport runs, or just weekend shopping, the Qin Plus handles space far better than many sedans in its segment. It's designed for real people, real families, and real journeys. In the standard plug-in hybrid version, the Blade battery carries out about 8.32 kilowatt-hours of capacity. That may not sound huge compared with full electric cars, but it translates to up to around 55 kilometers of pure electric driving in ideal conditions before the gasoline engine or hybrid system needs to kick in. But beyond just pure EV mode, the hybrid architecture is where the magic happens. The Qin Plus doesn't treat the electric motor and battery as a mere addition. The car's system allows seamless switching between electric drive, hybrid mode, or combined drive, optimizing power delivery and efficiency depending on driving conditions. Because of that integration, you often end up with fuel economy numbers that most conventional cars cannot touch, without sacrificing the kind of flexibility you expect from a regular car. For everyday driving, whether it's scorching summer heat or stop-and-go city traffic, the reliability gives peace of mind. In the real-world use of over 2,000 kilometers, the Qin Plus showed just how practical this technology is. With frequent short trips and mixed driving, I barely noticed the fuel gauge drop, because the hybrid system leveraged the batteries when possible and recharged itself efficiently when needed. The result, a smooth, quiet ride plus significant savings at the pump. After 2,000 kilometers, the BYD Qin Plus didn't just impress me, it surprised me. It's efficient, comfortable, safe, and genuinely enjoyable to drive. It may not be perfect, but it delivers far more than its price suggests. If you're looking for a sedan that saves you money, treats you well on long drives, and gives you a taste of the future, the Qin Plus absolutely deserves a spot on your list. Tell me, would you consider the Qin Plus for your next car? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more real-world reviews. Until then, drive smart and stay curious. Drop your thoughts below.